list in HTML. So today we are going to discuss unordered list. What is unordered list? Let's see unordered list attributes and its tag. First of all, we have to type UL tag after body tag. UL is unordered list. Then we have to make a list of items. So then we have to take li tag, and in between opening and closing a li tag, we have to give the name of list like list item apple. Similarly, we have to make three lists. Let's copy and paste and change the items. Then we close UL tag and close body tag. And then we close HTML tag. And then we save Ctrl plus S with the help of Ctrl plus S shortcut key and give the name to file ul.html. Then save at desktop. Let's see the output of the tag ul tag. So you can see here this is the unordered list. You will see here disk. This is the default attribute disk that you are seeing here, and we have to make the change in the attribute. Then we will type equal to circle. Then we save it. Then you will find the changing effect here. You can see here that there is circle before apple, mango, and guava. And you can change this attribute also. We have three attributes: circle, disk, and square. Square. Then you can save it Ctrl plus S and then refresh. You can see here a square. And if you want to apply the first attribute disk, you can write here disk and save it, and you can see the output here by pressing F5. This is the unordered list. And if you want to prepare a order list, you have to type OL OL in place of UL, and we will omit this attribute and save it. And then we also change here OL and then save it. Then you can see the effect of order list by pressing F5. You can see here 1 2 3. This is the order. This is the order you can see here. And if you want to change the type of list, order list, we can type here type equal to capital A and close. Then we can save it and can see the output by clicking on Chrome browser and press F5 refresh. So this is the ABC type. And if you want to change it, you can change it like Roman counting, Control plus S, and then save it, and then press F5. So you can see here the Romans counting. Then if you want to start from second or third, you can type here start attribute, and then you can write here from start from 3 4, whatever you want. Control plus S, then save. You can see the effect of this 3 4 5. Your list start from 3 and it goes to 5. This is the effect of start tag in order list. You can type here the list that you want. Control plus 1 and start from 3. Press F5, so you can see here 3 4 5. If you want to extend the list, you can extend here by simply copy paste option and change the name and control plus S save, and then you can see here 3 4 5 6. This is That's all for today on order list and order list.